Don't know what to cook? Let's go together to make a very delicious and popular Iranian dish.
Hi, welcome to another cooking. Today's dish is Ghormeh Sabzi, which is very popular. First, add oil to the pot. After it is hot, add chopped onions, and fry a little. Then, add the chopped meat, and fry. Then, we add the soaked red beans. Allow the beans to cook. Then, we add the soaked red beans. Allow the beans to cook. After that, add Ghormeh Sabzi. Salt and pepper is needed. And finally, we add Omani lemon. Let it boil and cook. Then, enjoy with rice. I was very happy that you were with me in today's cooking. Like the video if you like it. And subscribe the channel for more cooking. More tips are written in the description section, please read.